Hello and welcome to Beau Hannam guitars and ukuleles. So, I just want to talk about getting some nice miters here. This isn't flush, so it doesn't appear to be perfect. What you need to do is, just say you've got a 60 thou black, white, black. What you need to do is usually cut them at a 45 or on the 45. And what I did, well, I needed a new small chisel because the chisel that I had, which was a Japanese 1.5 mil, the trouble with it is it broke, or is I put some super glue there in an effort to hold it, but it's not going to work. The whole thing is really thin and it's just not strong enough, so that was a waste of $30. The solution I came up with was these $6 Narex chisels, so maybe the $7. If you get the 3mm or 1/8, it's that's very strong compared to that. It's like twice the width. So what I did was I got my usual black, white, black purfling. I cut a 45-degree angle on it and then measured the 45 as close as I could, and I got about 73 thou. That's close enough. So what I did was I got one of these, I have two of them, and I just ground down just the tip to exactly what I needed, and this will be my dedicated purfling miter cutter, so I can really easily get into these tight spaces. And I've got the strength here, so it's not going to die on me. So here's the difference. And I just did it on a spindle sander, so it's got a slight curve to it. Yeah. So I just did it, I sanded it for about 5 seconds and then spritzed it with water to let it cool, and therefore the tip is still going to be strong. And so now I can come in here. Let me demonstrate the trouble first. So you want to see the reflection, you want to line that up. So the reflection here is parallel with this line here. And just looking straight down, which you can't see, that's about it. So once I can show you on this one. Once I get it hogged out, the trouble is getting a chisel to fit perfectly between this edge and this edge, and now this custom-made chisel does. Perfect. Yeah, that's an absolutely perfect length. So about 73 thou, just this tip here, and that corresponds to a 60 thou black, white, black, and you know, you could probably have 2 or 3 of these chisels and use them all, just slightly different widths. I tend to use 40 thou, 50 thou and 60 thou black, white, blacks just for different jobs and, you know, different whatevers. You just accumulate different purflings. Yeah, these Narex chisels are great, and because they're they're cheap, so you can buy a couple of them, and because you're only using, you know, what's 70 thou, or 80 thou is 2 mils, so it's just under 2 mils. They sharpen really, really quickly, and you've got the strength of the a full 1/8 or 3 mil shaft thing here, unlike my Japanese chisel, which was 3 times the cost of this Narex and broke within the first year, which kind of sucks. So don't buy that particular chisel. I'm sure the others are perfectly fine, but yeah, that's not much metal there, even though it's metal and it probably should hold up. But I hope that was of assistance. I got these chisels, the Narex chisels, at I think Woodcraft or maybe Rocker, but also, actually no, I got these at Highland Woodworking, but I think the other 2 places I just mentioned sell them. And there's a dark handled one as well, which costs a bit more. I don't know, but any 1/8 cheap 1/8 chisel will do the job. Thank you for watching. If you like these Luthier tips, please subscribe. And apparently, I keep forgetting to mention this, but if you hit the little bell thing, then you'll get alerted to every time I post a new video, if you want that. This is a maple, Norway maple Grand Tenor or Selma, 19-inch scale, Indian rosewood binding with a Sitka top and a cool rosette. Normally these rosettes are a bit more symmetrical, but I thought I would just do something a bit different, so it's a little bit off center. I was going to put something in here, but I don't think it needs it. Anyway, that is my tip for the week. Bye. See you next time.